Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Tanner Fox Hot Wheels Collector's Edition mystery bag. So check this out, these went on sale on Tanner Fox's website. So each mystery bag is guaranteed to have one exclusive Porsche 911 GT3 RS and one mainline GT3 RS. So let's see what else is in the bag, and let's compare the two Porsches. So let's open this thing up. So when you open the first bag, you get these stickers. So let's see what else is in the second bag. So we have a beanie, some stickers, a couple pop sockets, a shirt, of course the mainline car, the premium car, the USB, and a bracelet. So check this out. On the back of the Tanner Fox shirt, you can see it says T-Fox, and then Guagzilla on the side, and then Guagzilla 2.0. So here's the mainline version of Porsche, and here's the premium. So on the premium, you can see it says Hot Wheels, Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and T-Fox. So let's compare the mainline and the premium. So you can see right here it shows the astronaut, and it doesn't show one on the premium. But look at the back. On the back, there's so much more detail. There's the backlights, then the astronaut, Tanner Fox, and the exhaust. This doesn't have any backlights for the detailing. And the paint is so much better, because this is more of a matte paint, and this is just a regular mainline paint. And then also there's yellow mirrors, and these are just black. And then on the top of the premium, it's almost like it's engraved, while this is just a sticker. And on the front, you can see the detailing goes more down, while this just stays. This car was first made in 2011 and hasn't been made too many times. The collector's exclusive is extremely limited, and I'm guessing there is only about 2,000 of these made. The GT3 RS can do 0 to 60 in 3 seconds and has a top speed of 193 miles per hour. This was released earlier as an SSG T-Fox and Hot Wheels collab, and inside the box is the car, the shirt, and a hat. But this mystery pack was a lot cheaper and a lot better. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite item is out of this Tanner Fox mystery pack.